Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will explore 15 amazing morning beverages for patients with kidney disease. But first, let's discover the crucial role of the kidneys and the harmful effects of kidney disease on the body. The kidneys are among the most vital organs in our body. They are responsible for filtering the blood, removing waste and toxins, regulating water and electrolyte balance, and controlling blood pressure. When the kidneys function well, our bodies remain healthy and balanced. However, when the kidneys are damaged or diseased, their function is severely impaired. Kidney disease can lead to the accumulation of toxins, electrolyte imbalances, high blood pressure, and many other serious health issues. Maintaining a healthy diet, including suitable beverages, is crucial to support kidney function and improve quality of life. In this video, we will introduce 15 morning beverages that are not only delicious but also extremely beneficial for kidney health. Let's explore and learn how you can protect and care for your kidneys through smart beverage choices. 1. Water. Drinking water is an essential part of any diet, especially for kidney patients. Water helps the kidneys filter waste from the blood and eliminate it through urine, reducing the workload on the kidneys. Drinking enough water dilutes urine, reduces the risk of kidney stones, and maintains the balance of electrolytes like sodium and potassium. Additionally, water supports digestion, prevents constipation, and reduces pressure on the kidneys. Drinking enough water keeps the urinary tract clean, prevents bacterial growth, and reduces the risk of urinary tract infections. Water also helps maintain stable blood volume, supports blood pressure control, and thus reduces the risk of kidney damage. If enough water is consumed, circulation and blood flow improve, ensuring the kidneys receive the necessary blood to function efficiently. Furthermore, water helps prevent dehydration, eliminates harmful toxins and waste, and supports the recovery process for the kidneys. 2. Apple juice. Apple juice offers many benefits for patients with kidney disease. Rich in antioxidants such as quercetin and vitamin C, apple juice helps reduce inflammation and protect kidney cells from damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, the mild antibacterial properties of apple juice help prevent urinary tract infections, a common issue in patients with kidney disease. Containing pectin, a soluble fiber, apple juice improves digestion and reduces constipation, thereby reducing pressure on the kidneys. Although not high in potassium, apple juice still helps maintain electrolyte balance in the body, which is crucial for kidney function. With its natural sugars, apple juice provides instant energy without causing a sudden spike in blood sugar levels, suitable for patients needing stable energy levels. Apple's juice has high water content, helping to keep the body hydrated and supporting the kidneys in filtering and eliminating waste. If you want to know more information about health, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive regular updates. 3. Unsweetened almond milk. Unsweetened almond milk offers many benefits for kidney patients. This type of milk has low potassium and phosphorus levels, helping to reduce the workload on the kidneys and maintain electrolyte balance in the body. Unsweetened almond milk is rich in vitamin E and antioxidants, supporting overall health and the immune system. Drinking unsweetened almond milk provides nutrition without increasing blood sugar levels, making it suitable for those who need to control their sugar intake. Unsweetened almond milk is delicious and can be easily incorporated into various beverages and dishes. 4. Celery juice. Celery juice is very beneficial for kidney patients. This juice provides essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, vitamin C, and potassium, though the potassium level is not excessively high. Celery juice helps maintain electrolyte balance in the body and supports kidney function. Celery juice has anti-inflammatory properties and helps reduce blood pressure, which is beneficial for those with kidney disease. This juice also improves digestion and cleanses the body, aiding the kidneys in eliminating waste. It should not be consumed in excess to avoid a sudden increase in potassium levels. 5. Strawberries. Strawberries are rich in antioxidants like vitamin C, which help protect kidney cells from damage, and manganese, which boost the immune system and support digestion. Strawberries have a lower potassium content compared to many other fruits, making them suitable for patients who need to control their potassium intake. The anti-inflammatory substances in strawberries help reduce inflammation and swelling in the body, supporting more efficient kidney function. Strawberries can also reduce bad cholesterol and increase good cholesterol, helping to maintain heart health. The compounds in strawberries help control blood pressure, reducing the risk of kidney damage. Strawberry smoothies are not only nutritious but also delicious and easy to drink. However, patients should avoid adding sugar to the smoothie and control their daily intake. 6. Rooibos tea. Rooibos tea, also known as red tea, has many special benefits for patients with kidney disease. Rooibos tea does not contain caffeine, helping to reduce the risk of high blood pressure and kidney strain. It is rich in antioxidants like asparagine and nothofagin, which protect kidney cells from damage and reduce inflammation. Rooibos tea also has low oxalate content, reducing the risk of kidney stone formation. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties in rooibos tea can help maintain and improve kidney function. Additionally, rooibos tea helps reduce stress and anxiety, thereby reducing pressure on the kidneys. Rooibos tea also improves digestion, prevents constipation, and helps control blood sugar levels. The antioxidants in this tea can boost the immune system, protecting the body against infections and other diseases. 7. Carrot juice. Carrot juice is high in beta-carotene, a form of vitamin A, which helps improve immune function and support eye health. Carrot juice is rich in antioxidants, which help protect the body from free radical damage and reduce the risk of inflammation. The fiber in carrots also helps improve the digestive system, preventing constipation and reducing pressure on the kidneys. Compared to many other vegetables, carrots have a lower potassium content, making carrot juice a safer choice for kidney patients, especially those who need to control their potassium intake. Carrot juice can also help reduce cholesterol and improve blood circulation, supporting heart health. Like water, carrot juice provides necessary hydration, helping to maintain fluid balance in the body and support kidney function. 8. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea offers several specific benefits for patients with kidney disease. Chamomile tea has anti-inflammatory properties, which help reduce inflammation in the kidneys and support the healing process. Chamomile tea helps reduce stress and anxiety, which is crucial because stress can negatively impact kidney health. Chamomile tea has mild diuretic properties, aiding in the filtration and detoxification processes of the kidneys without putting too much pressure on them. Additionally, chamomile tea improves sleep quality, and good sleep is essential for overall health and kidney function. Chamomile tea can also help lower blood pressure, an important factor in protecting the kidneys from damage related to high blood pressure. 9. Pineapple juice. Pineapple juice contains less potassium compared to many other juices, helping patients manage their potassium levels. Pineapple is also rich in vitamin C, which boosts the immune system and has anti-inflammatory properties, supporting recovery and maintaining kidney health. Furthermore, The enzymes in pineapple, such as bromelain, can help improve digestion and reduce inflammation while providing antioxidants to protect kidney cells from damage. However, patients should drink pineapple juice in moderation and avoid adding sugar to prevent increasing blood sugar levels. 10. Coconut milk. Coconut milk has many health benefits, especially for patients with kidney disease. Coconut milk is a source of healthy fats, providing energy without increasing cholesterol levels in the body. It also contains a variety of vitamins and minerals such as magnesium, iron, and potassium, which support overall health. However, the potassium content in coconut milk is not as high as in some other juices, making it safer for kidney patients if consumed in moderation. Coconut milk also has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, helping to reduce inflammation and protect kidney cells from damage. It improves digestion and aids in the absorption of nutrients from other foods. 11. Walnut milk. Walnut milk is an excellent choice for kidney patients due to its numerous health benefits. It contains low levels of potassium and phosphorus, reducing the strain on the kidneys and maintaining electrolyte balance in the body. Walnut milk also provides a good amount of omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and protect blood vessels, improving blood circulation. Additionally, it is rich in antioxidants, which help protect cells from damage and support the immune system. Walnut milk is also a source of plant-based protein, helping the body maintain energy and strength without overburdening the kidneys. Importantly, it is lactose-free, making it suitable for those who are lactose intolerant or allergic to cow's milk. 12. Orange juice. Orange juice has many health benefits, but for patients with kidney disease, it should be consumed with caution due to its high potassium content. Orange juice provides plenty of vitamin C, which boosts the immune system and protects cells from damage caused by free radicals. The soluble fiber in orange juice improves digestion and prevents constipation. The natural sugars in orange juice provide a quick source of energy, helping the body feel healthy and alert. Vitamin C also helps the body absorb iron from other food sources more effectively, which is particularly important for those at risk of anemia. Some studies suggest that orange juice can reduce the risk of forming oxalate kidney stones due to its high citrate content. 13. Passion fruit juice. Its high antioxidant content, such as vitamin C, helps protect kidney cells from damage caused by free radicals. The natural fiber in this juice improves digestion, reduces constipation, and lessens the pressure on the kidneys. Natural anti-inflammatory compounds in passion fruit help reduce inflammation in the kidneys. Vitamin C boosts the immune system, lowering the risk of urinary tract infections. Potassium in passion fruit helps regulate blood pressure, which is crucial for kidney patients. Passion fruit juice also has cleansing properties, aiding in the removal of harmful toxins from the body through urination. Furthermore, passion fruit contains compounds that calm the nervous system, reduce stress, and improve sleep, aiding overall recovery. 14. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice offers many health benefits, especially for patients with kidney disease. First, pomegranate juice is rich in antioxidants, helping to protect kidney cells from damage caused by free radicals. It can also help lower blood pressure, which is crucial because high blood pressure can cause further damage to the kidneys. Additionally, vitamin C and compounds in pomegranate juice have anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce inflammation in the body, including in the kidneys. Pomegranate juice also improves cardiovascular function, lowers bad cholesterol levels, and increases good cholesterol levels, protecting the kidneys from cardiovascular diseases. Furthermore, it aids digestion, reduces constipation, and improves digestive function, thereby reducing pressure on the kidneys. Finally, it can help prevent the crystallization of minerals in the kidneys, reducing the risk of kidney stone formation. 15. Green tea. Green tea has many benefits for patients with kidney disease. Drinking green tea provides powerful antioxidants that help protect kidney cells from damage. Green tea also helps reduce inflammation in the body, lowering the risk of urinary tract infections and related kidney problems. Specifically, green tea can help control blood pressure, reducing the pressure on the kidneys. Green tea improves circulation, ensuring that the kidneys receive enough blood to function effectively. Drinking green tea regularly and in moderation can enhance overall kidney health. We hope that the information about the 15 best morning beverages for patients with kidney disease has provided you with valuable insights. Remember, maintaining a healthy diet and choosing the right beverages can help protect and improve your kidney function. It is important to always listen to your body and adjust your diet according to the guidance of healthcare professionals. If you or your loved ones are facing kidney issues, don't hesitate to consult with a doctor or nutritionist for specific and accurate advice. Proper care and attention will help you maintain good health and a high quality of life. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our future helpful videos. Share this video with those you think might help. Wishing you all health and happiness.